Example. If light of wavelength 4950 angstrom is viewed as a continuous flow of photons, what is the energy of each photon in eV? Given Planck's constant h as 6.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 34 joule second. Solution. The energy of photon can be found by E as h nu, E equals hc by lambda, name it as equation 1. C is the speed of light, which is 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. From equation 1, E equals 6.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 34 into 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 by 4950 into 10 raised to the power minus 10 joule. After solving, we get E as 4 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 joule. It can be expressed in eV, E as 4 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 by 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 eV. E is equal to 2.5 eV.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.